Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change your language in Duolingo. So let's have a look now. At first, open Duolingo and then hit this plug icon at the top and select course. Once you select course, this is where you will choose any of the language. Click here and select the language you want to learn. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.